to give our attention to Sister Wutzke, Malia Wutzke, and her assistant Sasha. They're going to be talking on the subject, ways in which true Christians can show genuine hospitality. That's based on Hebrews 13 and verse 2. And she's using the Bible to respond to discussion.
Something in the kitchen smells good, Mommy. What are you making?
I'm making a cake for tomorrow. Our field service group's making a meal for the brother who's coming to give the talk at the Kingdom Hall tomorrow.
I want to eat it now. Why do we have to give it away?
It's a nice thing for us to do, Sasha, to show hospitality.
What does hospitality mean?
Well, I think the word actually means love of strangers. So you could say that we show hospitality by looking for ways to show kindness to other people. Did you know that the best example there is of someone showing hospitality or being hospitable is Jehovah?
How does Jehovah show hospitality?
Here's my Bible. Let's look at a scripture to show you the answer to that question, okay? It's at Psalm chapter 145. And I want you to read verse 16.
You open your hand and satisfy the desire of every living thing.
Do you know what that means?
Not really.
Okay, so what is a desire?
Something you want.
So Jehovah opens his hand and gives us everything that we want. Can you think of some things that Jehovah gives us?
He gives us a beautiful earth with food and water. He gives us animals to wash and have fun with. And he gives us our food, our family, everything really.
So that is Jehovah showing us hospitality. Let's think of some ways that we can follow Jehovah's example and show hospitality to others. Let's read Hebrews chapter 13. Okay, I want you to read verse 1 and the first part of verse 2.
Let your brotherly love continue. Do not forget hospitality.
So first let's think about it, Sasha. Who do we have brotherly love for?
Other Jehovah's Witnesses, people in the congregation.
Right. So making a cake for the brother who gives our talk tomorrow would be showing brotherly love and hospitality. We can also do nice things for other people at the Kingdom Hall, like giving someone a ride to the meeting when they need it, asking someone who lives alone if maybe they want to join us in our family worship, or taking someone in field service with us. Can you think of another way to be hospitable or kind to someone in our congregation?
I like to visit with people who don't get to come to the Kingdom Hall very often because they are sick.
That is very hospitable. And what about when the circuit overseer visits our congregation? We have the opportunity to make him and his wife feel welcome and maybe make them a meal, and that's hospitality. Now remember, we're trying to follow Jehovah's example, so think about the scripture we read at first about him, how he gives us everything we need. Does Jehovah just give us food and the beautiful earth, or does he do those things for everybody?
He does them for everybody.
So there may be times when one of our neighbors or family members who aren't one of Jehovah's Witnesses need help too. Like if they're in an accident or they get sick, or maybe someone they love dies. These are all times for us to help them in any way we can. Sometimes we can even take that opportunity to encourage them by telling them about Jehovah's promises for the future.
That sounds like a good idea.
And Sasha, just like everything that Jehovah asks us to do, showing hospitality is good for us too. Let's look at Acts 20. And I want you to read just the very last part here in verse 35 right here.
There is more happiness in giving than there is in receiving.
So it's going to make us happy to give to people or to show hospitality to them.
Well, it does make me happy to make someone else smile. I can't wait and eat the cake tomorrow.